dream I know deep up my feelings for you.
Alright, my wonderful people, welcome back to Reality Latest Gist, your home of news and politics. As we giving a back-to-back updates and information as it is hot. So if today is your first time to join our wonderful channel, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, but don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. The headlines: the Edo State Governor Okpebholo set up 14 members panel to probe Governor Obaseki's administration. Hey, by people it does set. Moving on after this, we have the Labour Party don't come out and talk, say they have no partnership deal with President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Hey, my people, before I go bring the main story, I would like to welcome our amazing viewers and subscribers. Thank you so much for joining us on today's wonderful news. And to those where they join us for today's news for the first time, you guys are highly welcome. Kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, but don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video, because I'm sure you know will like miss our trend and latest news happening on Reality Latest Gist. My people, make a yarn on the main story. The Edo State Governor Okpebholo has given the green light for the formation of a 14-member State Asset Verification Committee. Hey, my people, don't be small. This committee primary task is to investigate the administration of the former governor of Edo State, Obaseki. So the committee has been set, and they are going to be inaugurated on Tuesday, November 26, 2024 at Government House in Benin City. So my people, the committee will be led by Dr. Ernest Afolabi as chairman. Amsle Ojezu is going to serve as a deputy chairman, and Frank Edebo on the role of secretary. So the committee comprises of additional members including Kasim Afebwai, Patrick Ikerale, Taiwo Akirele, Patrick Idiake, Bello Osage, Frederick Unopai, Abdullahi Eginier, Patrick Obahabo, Kenny Okoje, and so many other persons, my people. So the committee is going to be inaugurated at 1 p.m. at the Festival Hall, Government House, Benin City on November 26, 2024. So the statement that was issued by the Governor Chief Press Secretary Freddie Tua on Sunday said that in furtherance of the governor's initiative to set the state on the path of development and accountable leadership, so the establishment of a state asset verification committee has become imperative. Now may the Conde talk now say, despite repeated calls for a comprehensive database of the assets and liability of the previous administration, they say Governor Obaseki led government provided only scanty and limited information to them. Now make they won't probe the administration. So in line with Senator Okpebholo, the governor of Edo State campaign promises, he ensured probity, accountability, and transparency in governance. Say if you check Amugosi said the committee when set up comprises respected sons and daughters of Edo State, and they have been constituted. But people don't be small. People now, if you remember when the Edo State governor, the ex-governor of Edo State, Governor Obaseki, hinted that he could be arrested by the Economic and Financial Crime Commission after his 8-year tenure in office. So he can review that statement during the time we're in the Abuja, during the Edo Best National Resource Sharing section with the team Edo Best, a legacy of re-engineering education in Sub-Saharan Africa. So Obaseki talk say they fit arrest Stab after in tenure, but he will spend custody time on reflection and research. At that time in talk say he no dey afraid of any arrest and probe of his administration because he know wetin he do. He knows all those silly petitions that have been written against him by cruel and wicked people for vendetta is for them to hurt him. So he said one of the things that will last for a very long time to come was the fact that his administration was able to focus on Edo people and the things that matters to them. So he said from today henceforth that he's going to serve as a resource person after office, and he's going to give the cheapest service so far from lessons he gained in his 8 years experience as governor. Because he already hears the EFCC is going to pick him up next week after his tenure, that wherever they keep him, he will spend time doing research. Because right now, there are so many things they have done in Edo State that can be described as legacy projects. So he believes in Edo State, and one of the things that will last for a very long time to come is the fact that they were able to focus on them, and they were able to implement and reform those things. So they fear. Why will he be afraid? So people right now, Senator Okpebholo, they talk now, say the documents where Governor Obaseki submit give them, say they are all scanty. Say suspect some mago movement for that document. Now making the set up panel will go probe Governor Obaseki's administration. Hey, my people, I would like to know where to not think about this matter. Make una chook mats Tell us what you think about this matter in our comment section. We could like hear from Una. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. Moving on to the next. The Labour Party don't come as con dismiss one video that's been making round on social media that their leadership was partnering with President Bola Ahmed Tinubu ahead of the 2027 general election. So right now, Mr. Obiora, the National Publicity Secretary, don't come out and issue one statement, and according to the statement wey he write, he said their party, Labour Party, has on several occasions debunked the allegation that they has an understanding with the ruling All Progressive Congress to collaborate in the 2027 general election. So as a matter of fact, that the Labour Party is the most visible opposition party as at today, and the national chairman, Barrister Abure, is the leading voice in that opposition camp. And he has been most critical of the present government. He talks say after the 2023 general election that they continue to interrogate the system failure, and they has been very visible playing the role of the opposition continuously. They have been profiling solutions and advising the government, but recently their party under the able leader of Mr. Julius Abure came up with series of programs, including the creation of the Electoral Reform Committee. With it, they hope to ensure credible, fair and transparent process, leading to the selection of leadership in the country. So as it stands now, Obiora said that their party, Labour Party, had created a political education committee for reorienting citizens on the need to have a positive behavioral change towards politics in Nigeria. So he also said that the party had become the first party in Nigeria to attempt to deepen participatory democracy by the introduction of membership registration, with thousands of people already subscribing. So all this effort to reposition the party, they say for someone to be demarketing such a party in such an unguided and callous manner, it's most ridiculous and unfortunate. So they are here challenging DJ Adeneyu and any other person to come up with facts and prove that either the party leadership, Mr. Abure, intend to work for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu or his party, the APC, in 2027. Because Adeneyu assassination, which is presently trending globally, has caused the Labour Party enormous harm, and they are demanding that he refrain from causing the party further harms, because as a political party, they have viewed DJ Adeneyu via comment as a criminal defamation. They say it's a clearly motivated ploy to ridicule their hard-earned reputation. So they therefore call on Mr. DJ Adeneyu to without delay provide facts and evidence to prove that Labour Party has been bought over by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. That he also has a choice to withdraw his EU association and apologize to the leadership and millions of members of Labour Party for the great harm he has caused on the party. They go still forgive him. But if he say he no one do him, make him provide evidence. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions in our comment section. We'd love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us.